Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Saros token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Saros is the native token of a Solana based super app designed to be an all-in-one gateway to the decentralized economy, integrating a decentralized exchange, wallet, digital identity, and more. All-in-one Web3 gateway. It functions as a comprehensive super app, building DeFi, identity, and NFT tools into a single interface on Solana core liquidity infrastructure. The project provides deep efficiency liquidity for the Solana ecosystem through its DEX and innovative grant programs. Central ecosystem token. The Saros token is a integral for trading, payments, governance, and receiving rewards within the Saros platform. Saros project institution rating is 4. Saros token total supply is 9.99 billion and circulating supply is around 2.9 billion Saros token. Saros token is listed on Binance Alpha, Bybit, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.